Friends, today I'll announce some UPI updates. So, what is UPI? Everybody knows Unified Payments Interface. So, which was developed by National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI) and launched in 2016. So, this is a payment service from one bank to another bank without any mediators. So, we are frequently using every day we are using a lot of UPI payments. So what is the limit? So UPI payment daily limit is 1 lakh, but if you are using UPI for the tax payments, so this limit is increased from 1 lakh to 5 lakhs. So a latest change in UPI is UPI circle. You can create your UPI circle and you can add your secondary users, your family members or trusted people, so that single account multiple people can be operated. So can I monitor the secondary user transaction? Yes, you can monitor and you can access all the transactions. So it is you help family expenses. So without opening a extra account for the family members, use the same bank account for their family expenses also. So they can use the UPI. Same account will be debited. So for the entire family, they can use only one bank account, primary and secondary also. So can I set the limits for the secondary users? Yes, monthly limits are available. You can set a monthly limits. So secondary users, they can utilize this limit and they can do the transaction within the limit. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.